You want to start with some wedged up clay. Okay, now that you've wedged up your clay, you're gonna go ahead and put it in the coil extruder. So this is 3 pounds of clay. I'm gonna grab this piece right here. I'm gonna place it on. You kind of have to twist it, wiggle it up, and then lock it onto the pegs like that. Put my clay in. I'm gonna put this handle on. Put that flat part here. Horseshoe shape is what you're focusing on, lacing through that pole in the back. Go ahead and wiggle this down. You're going to lift it up. The horseshoe shape in the background should go back. And then you're gonna go ahead and pull. Your first pull or so is gonna be kind of easy. And then eventually you're gonna start feeling some pressure. You're gonna have to really muscle through it. I have to lower my center of gravity to pull this down. Don't hang off of it and swing off of it. This thing is old. I'm gonna go ahead and just lower my center of gravity, and then you're gonna get a coil that poops out here. There's a coil right here, it's about to hit this countertop. Bring it out. You want it to kind of fall in front of the cabinet right here. Okay, so again, lower that center of gravity. You have an easier time. I really wouldn't keep your coil longer than this. And this coil is very thick. I've seen some students cut it in half. I go back to my desk and I roll it a little thinner. But yeah, just make sure you have the right size coil for what you need. And then I'm all done. So now, what I don't want you to do is leave this now and say goodbye. I need you to disassemble this. Sometimes it will lock back here and the metal will kind of just get in a tough place. So we have this mallet, you'll just knock it until the horseshoe lightens up. We're going to just lift up the horseshoe, then lift up the thing. My hand is always back here and always right here. Lift and slide out. And then I'm gonna take the extra 30 seconds it takes to clean this off. So again, ideal situation. There shouldn't really be any clay left. I have this here, this just comes off. The dice piece is usually stuck here. Got this like thin amount of clay that I'll either put back in the clay bucket or my clay bag. And then this, I kind of just slide it off. I kind of use my palm and just slide it off. Like for it to be nice and clean, I wouldn't love coming up and having to use something that's already dirty. Look how much clay didn't get used. This is quite a bit of clay. I only got this much coil. Once you're done, clean up the clay, please. Put this back in the clay bucket. Don't leave little bits of clay here because they just end up getting bone dry and then we can't use them. And then the handle just gets placed in a nice position. I think that's it. Let me know if you have any questions, but hopefully this helped out with your tutorial on how to use the coil extruder.